Hi, my name is Sienna. I hope your day is running well. In the next few minutes you will learn how the import feature from NC Payments Import with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, that is available on Microsoft App Source, works. So let's go to the next slide and let me share a few lines before we dig into it. The NC Payments Import app from Microsoft App Source expands the payments function. With NC Payments Import, you can import your bank account statements directly from your banking software, based on ISO 20022 CAMP.052, CAMP.053 and CAMP.054 into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. And now I think it's time to roll the session and show you how the import features from NC Payments Import works. And for that, I switch now to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. To use the NC Payments Import, select NCP Payments, that is here on the top, and then select Import, that is here. In the NC Payments Import, select Process, and then Import here on the left. A window appears and asks me what kind of file I want to import. In this case I have a CAMP.053 file, and with that I select the right option for that kind of file. That is the second one here. So I'm ready to go. The next step is selecting the bank file from the right location, and for that I click on Choose, that is here on the top now. The Windows dialog for selecting files appears. And with that I select the file and click on Open. NC Payments Import reads the file now and tries to find the bank account that the data belongs to. And as you can see, or let's say read, was working so far, so let's click on OK. So that data from the CAMP.053 file is now available in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Let me share some lines before we move on. Each line in the window NCPI Payments Import can contain several data lines, which in turn can contain several transactions. The transactions, in turn, can contain several remittance entries and charges. Depending on the imported file format, different fields are filled or used. The next step is the action transfer here on the top. In this case we transfer the data to the general journal lines. And with the action transfer, entries from the payments import can be transferred to a journal. During the transfer, a corresponding entry is created for each payments import transaction in the journal or in the bank account reconciliation. For more information, see Import Tasks, Working with Payments Import, Transfer in the online help. So let's select the transfer now, that is here on the left. In the following window you can specify the general journal template and the general journal batch. That all specifies where and how the lines are created. I'm fine with the settings, and with that I select OK. A note appears and tells me how many journal lines are created. So let's click on OK. Via the action Navigate, that is here on the top, I can go directly to the created lines. And then select Open Journals, that is here. The next step is the suggestion function. The system searches for the exact value of the document number of the customer ledger entry and other fields too, and tries to find the right open lines and connect them together. To do this, click on Actions, and then on Payments Import, and the Select Import Suggestion Application, All Lines. A window appears and asks me if I want this really. I'm fine, so let's select Yes. Another dialog appears and tells me how many lines are suggested. Fine, looks like that all 3 lines are working and suggested. So that's it for the moment. Nothing else to share. So thanks for watching me today. You can find more tutorials on our webpage www.navax.com. I hope you will enjoy giving us your business, as much as we enjoy taking you for a ride.